Now, what is differentiation of constant? Can anyone tell me? What is differentiation of a constant?
Zero.
Zero. Everyone agrees differentiation of a constant is zero. But now, integration of a constant with respect to x, for example, integration of a constant with respect to x will be so integration of a constant is never zero. Integration of a constant, look at this, look at this, look at the screen. You are doing mathematical methods, you will be aware. When you're doing integration, it is always when you're doing integration, it is always with respect to something like this. So how is this pronounced as? Integration with respect to x. What is this pronounced as? Can you tell me?
Integration with respect to t.
And integration with respect to t. The big S is the integration sign. The big S is the integration sign. So for example, look at this. Integration of, suppose if this is the thing, how do you read it? Tell me. It is integration of x with respect to x. Integration of x with respect to x. Correct? Now, what is this?
Integration of t with respect to x.
Integration of x with respect to t. So this is with respect to. Okay. Now, integration of k with respect to x. Now, can I say it's a constant? If differentiation of constant was given, I know the differentiation of constant is zero. But integration of a constant, if I get constant, you take it out, you will have integration of dx. Correct? If I take k outside, I'll have integration of dx. Remember, integration and differentiation will cancel each other. Therefore, answer is kx plus c. Answer is kx plus c. Wrong, no problem. It is just the first question. It is kx plus c. Okay. Now, look at page number 22. Everyone come to page number 22. Look at page number 22. Can you see standard formula of integration? Just check.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil is asking, can we say that integration is the opposite of differentiation? Exactly correct. Whatever we do in differentiation, integration is exactly opposite. Now, in that standard formula for integration, look at the first formula. cu dx, c into integration of u dx. That is nothing but the constant. Okay. So listen to this. Whenever you integrate something, you have to put plus c. Tell me, have you studied this in mathematical methods? Whenever you integrate something, we will have to put plus c at the end. That is integration constant. Okay. So now, tell me, just one example. Put your answer in the message box. Nikhil Sharma, very good answer. Samarth Soumya, correct. Krish, correct. Title, complete your answer. See this. Integration of phi dx will be phi x plus c. Tell me if you're getting this answer. Then the answer is correct. Integration of phi dx is phi x plus c. Integration of phi dx is phi x plus c. Getting this answer? Everyone? Okay. That means differentiation of a constant is zero. Integration of a constant is not zero. Integration of a constant is whatever it is. Okay. Now, the main formula, please look at the screen. Now tell me, what is differentiation of x power n? Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, correct? What is
Yes.
differentiation of x power n? N into x
Like-
power n minus 1. Now what
Yes.
is integration of x power n? That is your formula number 3. Just check. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Provided n is not equal to minus 1. Okay, provided n is not equal to minus 1. For that, there is a separate formula. Okay, now for example, look at the screen. What is integration of x power 6 dx? Tell me the answer. What is integration of x power 6 dx? Start giving me the answer. What is integration of x power 6 dx? Nikhil, very good. Others try to give the answer. What is integration of x power 6 dx? Soumya, Samarth, correct. Okay, Rajiv, Leron, correct. Okay, I will do it. Tell me if you are understanding. This is x power 6 dx. The integration of x power 6 dx will be x power 6 plus 1 divided by 6 plus 1. What is x power 6 plus 1? X power 7 by 7 plus c. Therefore, answer is x power 7 by 7. Tell me, are you getting this answer? Integration of x power 6 dx is x power 7 by 7 plus c. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Okay, Rang is asking why plus c. We are putting an integration constant, meaning if you have made any error in calculation or if you have assumed something, plus c will negate it. Okay, plus c will negate it. That is your integration constant. Because we are 100% not sure that this is the answer. Whatever error or whatever offset we have, in that plus c we do it. That is the format. Okay. Now please look at the screen, everyone. Yes, we do it every answer, but you have to put only once plus c. Okay. You have to do it only once. Okay. Now listen to this. Can you try this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now listen. 6 is a constant. I'll take it outside. You will get integration of x square dx. Now
Yes.
6 will remain as it is. Now integration of x square dx will be x power 3 by 3 plus c. Therefore, answer is this. Tell me how many of you are getting this answer correct?
Sir, I didn't simplify it.
What happened?
Sir, I kept it as 6x cube upon 3.
That is
Is
fine.
that okay?
Even that is fine. Means you left it at this answer. That is also fine. Okay. Now try this question. Start. I'll also do it, but try to do it. One step higher. One step higher. Anyone? Okay, listen. Okay, listen. Now, this is the question. Now we will continue. It will become integration of, tell me if you're understanding it, 2x cube dx plus integration of 8x power 4 dx. I'm splitting it. Okay. Rang, I'll tell you what is the answer. Did you understand the first step? I split the integration. Now, 2 is constant. I will take it out. Integration of x cube dx, correct? Plus 8 is a constant. Inside the bracket, integration of x power 4 dx, correct? Now, 2 constant outside. What is integration of x power 3? Plus 8 constant outside. What is integration of x power 4? So we can do this 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is a simplification you can do. Otherwise, this is the answer. Tell me how many of you got this right.
Sir, I have got.
Okay, 3, 4,
Sir, I
5,
got
6 people.
I got the same, but
If
I
you
got
have
2,
got the answer which is different, or if you have not got the answer, please check what we have done. You have get the same answer that is there on the screen. Okay, everyone, done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you try this? Okay, listen to this. I will proceed with, look at this, integration of 2x dx plus integration of 3x square dx plus integration of root x dx. Correct? Now, first term, 2 outside the integration sign plus, please look at the screen, 3 outside the integration sign. Saw the changes that I made to each term. 2 I put outside, 3 I put outside, root x I have written it as x power half. Now 2 outside, integration of x is nothing but x power 1. What is integration of x? Can I say x squared by 2
Yes.
plus three into x cubed by 3, correct? Plus x power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, correct? Because I'm using the formula x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Therefore, look at my final answer. 2 and 2 will cancel. I will get x square plus 3 and 3 will cancel. X cube plus x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. You can take it up. Plus, tell me, are you getting anything similar like this? Are you getting anything similar?
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, next two formulae, I'll tell you. Integration of e power x dx is same as e power x plus c. Do you see that differentiation and integration of e power x is e power x itself? Even differentiation of e power x was e power x, correct? Now, even integration of e power x will remain as e power x itself, and also integration of 1 by x, that is x power minus 1 dx or 1 by x. What was differentiation of log x? Can anyone remember?
1
What
upon
was
x.
differentiation
1
of
by
log
x.
x? 1 by x, correct? What was differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x was 1 by x.
Yes.
Therefore, integration of 1 by x will be log x. Did you understand? Exactly opposite of differentiation. Differentiation of log x was 1 by x. Therefore, integration of 1 by x will give you log x. So these are the two new formulae which you have to study. And these two formulae are formula number 6 and formula number 7 on page number 22. Just check formula number 6 and formula number 7. Formula number 6 and formula number 7. Okay, can we continue now? Okay. Try this question, all of you. Start. Okay, start. See here. I will split it. Correct? Everyone look at the screen. Getting this? Now, integration of x minus 1 dx is log x
Yes.
plus integration of x power 5 dx is x power 6 by 6 plus 5 is a constant outside integration of dx. Now, log x plus x power 6 by 6 plus 5 integration of dx. Look at this. Integration and differentiation cancel. This is the answer. Tell me, are you getting